Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To calculate payroll hours in Excel, first, enter the start and end times for each workday in separate columns. Use the formula equals end time, start time, asterisk 24 feet to calculate total hours worked per day in another column. Remember to format your start, end times, and total hours columns as time, and your total hours worked column as number to ensure accurate calculations. Sum up the total hours worked column for the payroll period to get the total payroll hours. Leveraging Excel functions like sum can streamline this process, making payroll calculations efficient and error-free.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.